celebrate International Cat Day. Ever pondered how our feline friends became global superstars? Did you know? There are over 600 million pet cats worldwide. Stick around to unveil the fierce debates and confrontations surrounding International Cat Day. As the popularity of cats grew globally, so did the debates. While many rejoiced, some argued whether dedicating a day for cats overshadows bigger animal welfare issues. Why cats? Why not dogs, or birds, or endangered animals? Voices rang from different corners of the internet. The conflict wasn't just about cats, but about respect, inclusivity, and acknowledging the love every animal brings. Some influential figures questioned the very essence of Cat Day, calling it mere internet fluff. But as the climax of the debate approached, something unexpected began to emerge. Amidst the debates, a unifying realization dawned. International Cat Day was more than just celebrating cats. It was a symbol, acknowledging the simple joys and comfort animals bring into our lives. The confrontations reminded us, every creature, big or small, deserves love. And maybe, just maybe, every day should be an Animal Day. Celebrate International Cat Day, but remember, every animal deserves a spotlight.